This is how to make an origami box divider. I'm Bruce Gemmell, the co-founder of Art Science Complex, member of San Diego Origami Group, and Origami USA. Let's get to work. Let's fold these corners in of the top two squares. Then fold this piece in to meet that. So we're leaving the middle four squares exposed. Once we get to this point, we're going to crease this up into what looks like a pyramid. Once we establish that pyramid, we're going to take this piece where the paper has the lip, we're going to fold it down. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to open it sideways and expose two of our four sides. Next, we're going to fold it back and expose the other two of the four sides. Now we have our Masu box divider. Put it in our Masu box. We've divided our box into four equal squares. That was how to make an origami box divider with me, Bruce Gemmell, and I'll see you soon.